How to fix Roblox error code 279 or failed to connect to the game. First, you will need to right click the start button and then open the terminal or CMD or Windows PowerShell as admin. And you will need to type the following command, which is ipconfig /flush DNS, and then press enter. And then you can close out of this and click on the start button, or you can click on your adapter right here, right click on it and then click open network and sharing settings. And from here you want to click on change adapter options, right click on your main adapter, which is this one for me, open the properties window and then open the IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4, double click on it. And you want to basically switch this from obtain DNS automatically to use the following DNS server. And then you will need to type 8.8.8.8 and then alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Press OK and then press OK again. And wait for this to be saved. Now you will need to disable this adapter and re-enable it again. Now you can close out of this and make sure that you're not connected to any VPNs. So you can go to the VPN section here and make sure to disable and turn off any active VPNs that might be running in the background as well. And then you can simply try to launch Roblox again as administrator. And if it still does not work for you, here's what you can do. You can click on the start menu and then search for network reset. And then click on network reset and then click on reset now to reset your network, and it will basically ask you to restart your computer. And once you restart your computer, that should fix the issue. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.